For 100 years, the tank ruled the battlefield, unstoppable. But in 2025, the king is dead. And it wasn't missiles, not airstrikes. It was a toy. A $500 quadcopter strapped with a grenade. Welcome to the era of the FPV Kamikaze drone. War has changed, and the math is terrifying. Every army's nightmare, cheap, fast, unstoppable. Back in the day, to kill a tank, you needed a Javelin missile. $178,000 per shot. Today, a $500 FPV drone can do the same. For the price of one Javelin, you can deploy 400. Shoot down 10? 50? You can't stop 400. That's asymmetric warfare. Defense is already losing. Simple economics. Millions on defense, pennies on offense. It's not just about money. These drones fly over 100 miles per hour, flying nap of the earth. By the time sensors detect them, it's too late. If the target moves, the drone moves. If it hides, the drone follows. It is a guided missile with a human brain. This is the future. Fast, deadly, and relentless. And the scariest part? Humans aren't even needed anymore. Right now, one pilot flies one drone. That is a bottleneck. But the next generation? It's called the swarm. Imagine 500 drones released at once. They don't need GPS. They don't need a pilot. They use onboard AI to talk to each other like a flock of birds. If you shoot down the leader, the swarm instantly reroutes. It heals itself. Military strategists call this a saturation attack. Current air defense systems are designed to stop one missile or two jets. They are not designed to stop 500 suicide bots attacking from every direction at once. There is no shield for this. The code is already being written. The era of the human pilot is ending. So where does this leave the tank, the aircraft carrier, the billion-dollar budget? Obsolete. We are witnessing the biggest shift in warfare since the invention of the atomic bomb. The age of heavy armor is over. The age of cheap speed has begun. We are tracking these technologies every single day. If you want to understand the future of conflict before it happens, you need to be here. Click that subscribe button right now. Do not miss the next briefing. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next one.